Good morning, students. Happy nice day. In our last class, we have discussed about special type of quadrilaterals, and we just started discussed and discussed about parallelogram, kite, and trapezium. So, in this class, we will discuss about special type of parallelogram. Right now, special type of parallelogram. In this class, we just discuss about different types of parallelogram. So parallelograms of how many types and what are those? We'll just discuss about them. Let us start. So students, here you can see that uh, parallelogram can be of different types. The first type is rhombus. So rhombus is a type of parallelogram. It means the properties which have a parallelogram possesses, that the properties are also possessed by a rhombus. Right now, so what are the properties? At first, you know very well about the properties of parallelogram, that the opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal in length, the diagonal bisect each other, opposite angles are equal. All these are the properties of a parallelogram, and also the adjacent angles are supplementary. But here are some special property they rhombus has, that all the sides are equal in length. Here in case of a rhombus, all the sides are equal in length. Here you can see that AB is a side, AB is a side, BC is a side, CD is a side, and AD is all the sides are equal in length. It means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Right now, opposite angles are equal measurement. Opposite angles means A opposite angle C. So A is equal to C, B is equal to D. Next, the diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other. Here the peculiar thing is that the diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other. Perpendicularly means here the bisect. As we know, the properties of parallelogram, that the diagonal bisect each other. But here the diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. It means here the angle is equal to 90 degree. AO perpendicular to BD. We can write that AO perpendicular to BD and BO perpendicular to AC. Right now, next, adjacent angles are supplementary. As you know that the properties of parallelogram also supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. It means A plus B is equal to 180 degree. A plus D is also 180 degree. Right now, here it is written A plus D is equal to 180 degree. A plus B is equal to 180 degree. C plus D is equal to 180 degree, and again C plus B is equal to 180 degree. And you know that the diagonals bisect each other. It means AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. And you know that the property of parallelogram, that is AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Right now, and here, so let us discuss another type of parallelogram, that is rectangle. So students, here you can see the picture of a rectangle. Here it is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Here the two diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at point O. Here BO is equal to DO and AO is equal to CO. You know that. But what are the speciality of a rectangle? We have to know, right? So it is a type of parallelogram. It is a type of parallelogram where the measurement of all angles are 90 degree. Here the measurements of all angles are 90 degree. It means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. All is equal to 90 degree. The diagonals are equal length. The diagonals are of equal length. Diagonals का length same है. AC is equal to BD. You can say that AC is equal to BD. So that AO is equal to BO is equal to CO is equal to DO. All are of same length. Because the diagonals are of equal length and they bisect each other. So that AO is equal to BO is equal to CO is equal to DO. Next, come to the next word, that is square. Square is a type of parallelogram where the length of all sides are equal. You know that there are four sides AB, BC, CD and AD, and all the sides are equal length. Right now, it is a type of parallelogram where the length of all sides are equal and measurement of all angles is equal to 90 degree. Here also same as the measurement of a rectangle, all the angles are of same measurement, that is 90 degree. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to 90 degree right now, and the diagonals are of same length. The diagonals are of same length. AC is equal to BD, and they perpendicularly bisect each other. The diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other, so that A- AO perpendicular to BD and BO perpendicular to AC right now. So that AO is equal to BO is equal to CO is equal to DO. Again, AO perpendicular to BD and BO perpendicular to AC. Here the measurement of this angle is equal to 90 degree right now. So all these are the properties of square right now. So let us discuss one or two word problems so that you will understand clearly. So students, look at here. In the rhombus, here is a rhombus. In the rhombus RICE, rise, in the rhombus RICE, rise, find x, y, z. We have to find x measurement of U, y measurement of OR, and z measurement of RI. As you know this, as you know that the rhombus have the sides with equal length. You know that all the sides are of equal length in case of a rhombus, so that you can say that CE is equal to ER is equal to RI is equal to CI, all the sides of equal length right now. And you know that ER is equal to how much? 13 centimeter. So you can say that RI is equal to also 13 centimeter, and RI means Z, so that Z is equal to 13 centimeter right now. Again, you know that the diagonals of a rhombus, bisect each other. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. So you can say that OE is equal to OI. OE is equal to OI. So that OE is equal to the value of OI, that is 5 centimeter. So that in place of OE it is written X. So X is equal to 5 centimeter. Again, you know that OC is equal to OR because the diagonal bisect each other. So OC is equal to OR right now. Here the value of OC is 12 centimeter. So the value of OR will be 12 centimeter right now. And you can write the OR is equal to Y is equal to 12 centimeter. Here the value of X, Y, and get. So let us discuss another problem. In this figure, look at here. In this figure, here is a rectangle rent is a rectangle. So we have to find the value of x. As you know, the property of a rectangle, that the diagonals are of same length. So you can say that Rn is equal to ET. Rn is equal to ET because the diagonals are of same length. Again, you know that a rectangle is a type of parallelogram, so that the diagonal bisect each other. As you know, the diagonal bisect each other. Here OE is equal to OT and RO is equal to NO right now. So first of all, we can write Rn is equal to ET, so that you can also write half of Rn is equal to half of ET also. You can multiply half to both sides, and you know that half of Rn can be written as OE is equal to half of ET, sorry, half of Rn can be written as RO, and half of ET can be written as OE. Next time, RO is equal to how much? 3x plus 1. Again, OE is equal to 2x plus 4. So if we transpose 2x to the left side, it will minus 3x minus 2x. If we transpose 1 to the right hand side, it will also minus 4 minus 1. 3x minus 2x, it is x. 4 minus 1, it is 3. X is equal to 3 right now. In this way we can calculate the value of variables. So students, for today this much. In our next class, we'll start a new chapter right now. Thank you.